Welcome to a week in my life bilang business owner. I own a local coffee shop called Si Asian Cafe at meron na kaming 15 branches sa buong Luzon. This week, I want to show you what it's like running and growing a business. And I'll be real with you, running a business isn't easy. There are days when sales are great and days when you wonder how to keep up. But I learned if I wanted to grow, I couldn't just wait for savings to catch up. I used to think borrowing meant weakness, but I learned that good debt can be a game changer. So I borrowed smart. I borrowed to build and grow my business. Nung Monday, dumating yung bagong espresso machine sa Dinalupihan branch. Matagal na namin gustong palitan yung luma dahil may kabagalan na rin. By Tuesday, nagre-training kami ng staff and nag-onboard ng bagong baristas sa Makati branch. Nag-focus kami sa customer service and day-to-day responsibilities nila. So ngayon, more hands, more products, more sales. Wednesdays are stock days sa SM branch. Beans, pastries, milk, ready na for weekend crowd. Nakakatawa kasi dumadami na rin ang regular customers namin. By Thursday, pinuntahan ko yung potential space ng new branch namin. This could be our 5th branch in Bataan. Nakaka-excite na mas dadami pa ang branches namin. By Friday, na-realize ko na I wouldn't have managed all this just from my savings alone. Growth needs capital and sometimes the smartest move is to borrow with purpose. And you know what? All these moves became possible because of good debt. Nakapag-invest ako sa equipment upgrade, manpower, and growth. For business owners like us, importanteng ma-realize na ang utang is not something to be feared as long as we borrow with purpose. With BDO Multipurpose Loan, you can get funds para sa business mo, whether for expansion, upgrading operations, or building new branches. Eto pa, flexible ang loan facilities with payment terms of up to 10 years, kaya mas madali magplano kung paano ko gagamitin ng funds. Para sa akin, ang good debt hindi lang utang, kundi investment para mag-grow. Good debt is one of the smartest tools a business owner can use. It's not about owing, it's about growing. Because when you borrow with purpose, you're not just taking on debt. It's about believing what your business can become. That's what good debt is all about. I borrowed to build my business, and if you're ready to take the next step, there's BDO Multipurpose Loan to help you build yours.